Hi! In front of me is Vivo V21e, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. Firstly, just open the Recorder app and select Allow in the pop-ups if you never used it before. To start your recording, click on this red button. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one. And in order to end it and save it, on the right one. As you can see, my recording is over here. You can always play it by clicking on it. If you wish to rename it though, you need to go back, hold it, tap on this pen icon at the bottom in the middle, and type in wherever you wish to. Then save your name by tapping on OK. If you wish to get rid of your recording instead, hold it again, but this time click on Remove next to pen icon and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!